Introducing the Toshiba Aquilion Prime 160 slice, now installed by Appex team to our valued client in top-rated hospitals of Gujranwala. Designed for precision and speed, this advanced CT scanner delivers crystal-clear 3D imaging in seconds. From neuro to cardiac diagnostics, it's a new era of patient care. Expertly installed and executed across Pakistan by Appex, your trusted partner in healthcare technology. Toshiba Aquilion Prime 160 slice CT scanner combines speed, precision, and patient safety. With advanced imaging technology, it delivers high-resolution scans for accurate diagnoses in less time. Its powerful 160 slice system ensures detailed imaging of complex conditions while reducing radiation exposure for enhanced patient care. At Appex Global Trading, we bridge the gap between technology and healthcare by delivering premium medical equipment tailored to your needs. For further details, feel free to contact or visit our Pakistan-based offices and display centers to avail special discount offer.